Raising and lowering the cabin. Hello. In this video, we will show you how to correctly raise and lower the truck cab and in what situations this needs to be done. Raising the cabin. To perform maintenance, check the engine condition, and inspect other systems, it is necessary to raise the cab. First, remove any foreign objects from the cabin to prevent them from falling on the windshield during the lifting process. Open the front hood and prepare the keys to unlock the cab lock and lift the cab. Insert the key into the lifting mechanism and raise the cabin to its maximum height, making smooth movements up and down. This will ensure reliable access to the required parts. Lowering the cabin. Once the maintenance work is completed, turn the key to the cabin lowering position. Carefully lower the cabin, using the key to make smooth up and down movements. Ensure all tools are stored in their designated places. Close the engine hood. By following these steps, you will be able to effectively carry out maintenance of your truck and ensure its safe use. We wish you safe and successful trips.